In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your Cash App is blocking your payments. I'll show you several things you can do to fix this problem. First of all, you need to open your Cash App and click the profile icon in the top right corner. And if you have not verified your account, you need to verify it. So you need to click on verify your identity. You need to provide your ID card and social security number and other details and verify your account. After the verification, you can do another thing. You can scroll down and check your account limits. Here is the limits in the menu. You need to click on this and you can check your send and receive limits. For example, for sending, I have got 1,000 per month and 1,500 in total. And the same for receive. And I can only have $1,000 as a cash balance. After I will verify my account and use Cash App several times, these limits will be increased. So if verification have not fixed your issue, another thing you can do is scroll all the way down and click on support. And then scroll all the way down again and click on chat. Right here from chat, you can directly contact to the Cash App support. You need to explain that your payments are getting blocked and you're interested in why is this happening. And Cash App support will answer you and assist you to solve this problem. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.